Chapter 7, Part 3, Differentiation Bases. Okay, so as previously mentioned, a firm first needs to find a means of differentiating their product or brand and then develop a positioning strategy based on that difference or competitive advantage. There are a number of ways that a firm can differentiate its products from competitors, and there are four major bases of differentiation. Number one, product differentiation, service differentiation, number two, number three, personnel differentiation, and lastly, image differentiation. Okay, let's first look at product differentiation. So there are multiple product differentiation bases. The first one is features, performance, durability, reliability, repairability, style, reseller products, product range. Okay, let's first look at features. So features are product characteristics that enhance the product's function. For example, a car manufacturer can offer optional features like aircon, power steering, leather seats, electric windows. Those are optional extras, extra features. The Japanese, for example, have become very well known for their continuous improvements of their products, like cameras and calculators and watches. And smartphone manufacturers also strive to continue to add new features to their products. So a firm that succeeds in introducing a new feature that consumers like will gain a competitive advantage, generally in the short term. Then they'll have to add new features in the future to continue to gain competitive advantage. Marketing research plays an important role in identifying new features that can be added. Current users of products, especially those who have bought recently, can be approached with questions about the product and what do they like, what don't they like, what changes can be made, and in that way you can determine what new features to add. Okay, then we have performance. So performance refers to the level at which a product functions. Usually its primary characteristics, its primary features. So personal computers is a good example. Even though they are in the same price class, Mesa computers have faster processing abilities than HPs. Therefore, it can be said that Mesa performs better than HPs because it's in the same price class. Before buying a new computer, consumers would probably compare the performance features of different brands by testing them. They may even be prepared to pay more for a better performing computer, one that's faster. Okay, so there are four different levels of performance that a firm can choose from: low performance, average performance, high performance, and superior performance. Now, if the first thing you think of, well, of course you want to make a superior performing product, yes, but then you're going to have to charge more. It depends on how you want to position your product. If you make an average performing product, that's fine, because there might be some people who want average performing products because they can only afford average performing products. So not all products lend themselves to being marketed at different performance levels, but where possible it can serve as a good basis for differentiation. In addition to the four levels of performance, there are also three different approaches to moderating performance. Number one is quality improvement, then quality maintenance, and lastly quality adulteration. These are the three different types. So quality improvement is a typical strategy used by market leaders such as BMW or Samsung, where they continually improve their products all the time so they can perform better. Quality maintenance is based on keeping the product at the same quality level all the time. And quality adulteration is to reduce the quality over time. Now in this case, the firm will reduce the quality in order to make up for rising costs. So they need to reduce the quality a little bit because they can't afford to sell it at the same price anymore. Or they can't afford to sell the same quality at the same price. So instead of lowering or hiring the price, making the price more, they instead lower the quality so they can keep the price the same. So that people won't notice the decreased quality. For example, a bakery can reduce the weight of their breads from 800 grams to 700 grams by putting in less ingredients. All they need to do is add a bit more air and yeast, and then it looks like the same size, but actually there's less substance in the bread. But they can sell it at the same price. Okay? This is also known as a hidden price increase. Then we have durability. So durability is the measure of a product's expected operating life. Many consumers are prepared to pay more for durable products. The Duracell battery is an example of a product that sells at a higher price because it lasts longer, it's more durable than competing batteries. Then we have reliability. Reliability is the measure of the probability that a product will not malfunction or fail in a specific time period. Many consumers are willing to pay more for a product that they believe is reliable. German cars like Mercedes-Benz have been able to establish a high reputation for being a very reliable car for many years. Repairability. It's the measure of the probability of being able to fix a product if it fails or malfunctions. Certain cars are bought, for example, because they can easily be repaired and their parts are available. Toyota is a good example. The same with TVs and fridges and so forth. There's standard parts that you can buy to replace. Ideal repairability refers to a situation where even the user themselves can fix the products at a very little cost and little time. In such situations, the user would simply replace a defective part with a new one. Then we have style. Style is very subjective. Different people like different styles. Okay? Depends on how people feel. Many car buyers are prepared to pay a high price for products that they believe have extraordinary appearance, like that one. Sports models of cars are typical examples. Exceptional styling has the advantage of creating products distinctiveness that makes it hard for competitors to copy, because it's got that very unique style. Competitors won't be able to copy it so easily. Packaging is also a component of style. Attractive, stylish packaging that enhances the appearance of many food products, cosmetics, toiletries, and small consumer product appliances is a good example. There's just an example of a fruit packaging that folds up in a very interesting way. Makes it more attractive, more interesting. Packaging is a powerful communication tool. For example, when Appletiser introduced its longer, sleeker 275ml bottle like the one you see in that picture, with a sophisticated label, it increased its sales by 14%. Amazing. Okay, then we have reseller brands. Marketing an own brand, right? This is our brand. Has the advantage of being able to establish a label that has ensured continuity at a specific quality level. So people always know that if we go to that place, we're going to get their brand, which has a specific quality, and you can keep it continuous. Okay? Woolworths is a very good example. They have a clothing brand that offers consumers fashionable assortment of merchandise at a consistent value for money price. That's why Woolworths does so well, because they offer fashionable products, but at the same kind of price level and quality level, year in and year out. Then we have product range. The range of products offered by a marketer is an important source of differentiation. Pick n Pay, for example, offers food, liquor, and an assortment of clothing. So they offer a wide range of products. And usually the Pick n Pay liquor and clothing are quite close to the Pick n Pay food store. Right, they also offer a wide range of products at various price ranges to offer consumers different variety.